Hello there, I am here to try this Ocean Spray Cran-Mango. 100% vitamin C, 100 calories per serving. Right here, I'll look and see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll put a link below. If you've ever tried this Cran-Mango, let me know what you thought of it down below. Yeah. I'm hoping I like it. Here, we're gonna find out. Cheers. Yeah, I don't like it. It has a tart mango at the front half, and then it has that really, really bitter cranberry aftertaste. Yeah, this is not for me. Lisa, come try, please. See if the wife likes it. What are your thoughts?
I'll drink it slowly.
So you would actually be able to drink it? You won't buy it again though, right?
I'm not a mango fan.
Yeah. But yeah, it's definitely not for me. It's too tart, and then in the front half it's too bitter in the back half. But if you like tart drinks, you like bitter, this is going to be for you. It is definitely not for me. Yeah, I recommend it to those who like tart and bitter things, but yeah, this isn't for me. Thanks so much for watching this review, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.